Out of all the socks that are in your drawer, Matatini, did you have to wear those two socks? Look, they don't even slightly match.
You give them to me.
I give them? You mean I gave them to you?
Yeah.
No, I didn't, Mata. I went to give you those socks to put in the laundry.
You know I never get excited when I find my room lighted by the glow of a TV screen. And nobody ever told me that in times when I'm lonely I should call, baby, how you been? And tonight was something different, a little hint of licorice, your voice coming through my cell. And you're trying to make it better with a letter after letter, but it ain't working, can't you tell? Talking every night, still don't feel alright. Kiss me through the phone, help me feel alone. Baby, you got it and you know that you got it, so why don't you come over? Won't you come over? So you were calling me, and baby, won't you let me be? Nothing seems to go my way. Cause I was feeling kinda lonely, could've used a little company, really wanted you to stay. And if I'm being honest, all the things that I promised ought to get you up behind the wheel. Cause nothing makes it better, not a letter after letter, till I finally can get you here. Talking every night, still don't feel alright. Kiss me through the phone, help me feel alone. Kiss me through the phone, help me feel alone. Baby, you got it and you know that you got it, so why don't you come over?